Hello guys, it's Heated here. Just wanted to remind you that we have a giveaway going every single month on our YouTube channel. All you gotta do is subscribe and you participate automatically. So go and do that right now guys. See you later. Hello guys and welcome back to Heated Slots. I am Bjorn and I'm joined in by you know who, Mr. Calculator Man.
Hey!
Hey, and we're doing fucking Money Train here. We're doing the
Yeah, we are,
original
man.
one because Mr. Calculator, he had a necromancer here, persistent necromancer.
Had a massive hit, man.
And bro, I've had one persistent shapeshifter hit, and together we've had one as well. So, oi oi oi! Oh my god, if that
it's
was,
just early, man.
bro, if that one hits with the persistent collector pair, do you know how dumb it is? No way.
Oh,
It's
it was the
decent a lot.
necromancer.
It's already decent a lot. Bro. You see the bed size? Of course it dies. Fuck.
Maybe we should go 40 instead, actually.
50, I feel.
It's just so volatile. I feel like we can get in way more buys and just go through them quicker, you know? If it if it doesn't look promising, we can go through it quite quickly, and then slow it down if it looks promising.
Okay.
Or it's the persistent, man. Okay.
Oh no, no.
Oh, give us the shapeshifter there, man.
Okay, it hit. Oh!
Please. Oh.
Shit. Well, I'll shit myself if something like that hits, honestly.
I can understand that, or the necromancer would have been insane.
Oh shit!
Oh,
This is quite good. One more collector.
where's the
maybe.
persistent necromancer somehow? I'm shitting myself.
Aye!
Oh.
Bro, my heart can't handle it. Honestly, it's so crazy. These fucking teasers are insane. They're going super slow, and it looks like it hits.
Yeah. You don't know if it does or not.
No,
That's
you really.
so annoying.
Ay, ay, ay! Oh.
Yeah, look at that.
Right, I
Come
can't-
on.
Bro, yeah, I can't fucking stop doing that. Honestly, when it does that with two, nah, it's too
Get you
intense.
going.
Yeah, it's too intense, man. These two, please.
Come on.
Die. Nice. Oh.
Oh, the sniper would have been good. We had
Oi!
some good multis. Oh, man.
Come on.
Oh,
Oh,
no
it's dead.
save.
But yeah, I see what you mean. Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, wow.
What
Wait,
the
you
fuck?
can do that when you just buy a normal one?
I didn't know that, bro. We are not gonna quick spin this shit.
I didn't know that was a thing.
No, me neither. Please. Yes. Oi, oi, oi.
Oh,
That's very
it's
good.
just too early though.
Yeah, but it's very good. Maybe it drops one more. I've had those quite a few times.
Just a bit too fucking early.
Hit one more collector, please.
One more would be massive as fuck.
Wow.
This could potentially be the one we're looking for.
One necromancer, my guy. One necromancer.
Necromancer and it's GG.
One necromancer, and it doesn't matter because
Connect.
they're gonna collect so much. Just connect, yeah.
Connect.
Please. Please.
Save us,
Don't
kid,
be
please.
100x.
Oh, good, good, good.
It did
good,
hit,
good.
right? Yeah, the
Yeah, it
6x.
did, it did.
Thank you. I was a bit scared it
Come
wasn't.
on, keep going.
Yes.
Nice.
One more collector, please.
Just keep us alive. One more collect, then it's over.
Oh, yay!
Oh, the persistent
that's
player
dumb.
collector, man.
That's dumb. Just one collector pair, it doesn't even have to be persistent. Ay! Oh!
Please neck for the necromancer.
That would have been max.
You at use, man.
Yeah.
Hit now, please. Save us. Save us.
Yes.
Okay, it did, it did.
It's very good.
Make it a 500x at least.
Yes, please. Oh, bro. One necromancer.
Kinda just feel like it wanna die.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Yeah. It's gonna die.
Come on.
It's gonna die.
I hate when it gets to the last spin.
Yeah, it's so sad.
It's 300x regardless. But please save us. Please, please, please.
Oh,
Yeah.
what?
Nice. And it unlocks a new reel.
Unusual, brother. Please one collector. Please one necromancer. Please the sniper and hit this shit.
Nice. Oh, the sniper there, man. Could have been so good.
Something, come on. I didn't know you could get it going into the bonus.
No, I didn't either.
That's insane. Please hit.
Come on, connect. Anywhere. Ah, okay.
We take
458.
that. Very fucking good.
I'd like to see that.
Okay. Nice.
That's interesting.
Yeah. Very.
Do it again.
Yes, please. And be a persistent necromancer this time. Persistent collector payer is 1000 X or some shit.
Yeah.
Like without even hitting anything.
It's so dumb.
Yeah. Oi!
Wow.
Persistent collector now.
Would be nice. Be very nice. I've never seen it hit 2 premiums in one spin actually.
No, that's true. Nice.
One. Yeah, it does. Yeah.
I mean, to think that we're in profit right now is actually insane. Done quite a few buys already.
Yeah, I feel like usually you're in the profit here if you get those like 1000 X's and so on.
Yeah.
Like 1000 plus X's. That is where it's at.
Oof.
Oh, give it to us, man.
Yeah, persistent collector payer is without a doubt very best. But I just feel like it's not gonna hit too many.
I feel like the persistent
Oi!
necromancer
What the
can also
fuck?
be extreme.
Yeah.
It's not persistent, no. Like the persistent necromancer with a sniper is fucking
Yeah, but
over, man.
collector payer, bro, it collects.
Yeah, yeah, I know
its
it's
own
fucking
value.
dumb.
It spits out on the others. And
I
then
know,
collects
it's
it
fucking dumb.
again. Oh,
Oh, imagine we got saved on that one.
collector payer is retarded. It's so insane. But I just feel like you won't get connections with it. It's just gonna die. It's way too sick.
That's the fin.
Oh! Shit.
If you just get saved once with that setup, it's fucking over.
Yeah, really.
Nice.
Oh, that was good.
Collect us now, maybe? Okay. Oh, give us the shapeshifter there. Unlock one more reel.
Okay.
Nice. Give us some premiums now.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Oh shit.
You're just so annoyingly... What's it called? What the fuck is that called? You just need the fucking premium so bad, it's so annoying. Like you can't do anything with just the basic.
Yeah, you're dependent on it.
Yeah, dependent, that's the word I was looking for. I was just about to get it out, but then I fucking stumbled on all of the words.
Yeah, you really need the premiums here in this game. Oh,
Jeez, man.
but like this kind of thing, I don't feel like it's gonna pay. You know, it would have thrown in by now one of the premiums, right? Yeah, it's gonna be the same shit. Fill in the hour with notice.
Give us the sniper. Even though the sniper's so bad at this stage when you only have one Nexus all over the place.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
The fuck? I mean,
X6.
you really know the script, and the only thing that you don't really know is if a premium lands, is it gonna drop off?
Yeah, exactly. Come on.
No way. Okay.
Oh, I just fall actually.
Oi, oi. That
Oh.
looks so weird. Oh shit!
Okay.
That's good. Give us one more. Collect the player. And it's insane.
Necromancer.
Necromancer, yeah. Please necro actually. Right. Persistent necro.
Keep us going,
Nice way.
please. Yeah, exactly.
Oh! Oh, it was there! Oh, bro.
Can you get the Necromancer non-persistent actually?
Yes. I've had that.
I have not.
I'm pretty sure, yeah. Pretty sure.
I've only had it that one time where I had good win.
Yeah, you can have necro.
Oh.
That's necro. Bro, Necro with persistent payer is stupid.
Yeah. Certainly is.
Don't die though.
Balance is still
Oh.
looking quite decent though.
Yeah.
Okay,
No
collect.
way, no shot.
Collect on fucking 5x, man. What are those 1x is all about.
Yeah.
Come on.
Dead. Okay.
No?
One more collector and collector player. Bang. Oh shit.
That were.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Bro, I thought that was in.
bro.
Not gonna lie, I thought that was in. Shit. When it throws 2 in a row like that.
It wouldn't have done that much with just a single collector though.
No, but just a yes, because it can go like on and on, right? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
but that was not too much to collect. That's true.
Yeah, exactly. It will just collect like
You need
30
at
at
least
a, or
2
20 at a
collectors.
time or something.
Yeah. You need at least 2 collectors then.
Yeah, exactly. Then it would go fucking crazy. Or a sniper as well. Like something like that and it's over. Come on. Premiums. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, nice. Good snipes.
Ooh, open 2.
And it unlocked 2 reels as well.
And it's gonna die.
Yep.
Yeah. Fuck you.
Balance is still not too bad though.
Yeah, we take it. I mean, it can still do it here. Like it's, oh, the fuck?
I like the absorbers to be fair.
Yeah, very good. Like those mixed in with collectors are very good.
Yeah. Come on, hit. Please.
Oh yeah.
Sniper. Oh. Nice.
Please just keep going, man. I feel like the absorbers are so rare as well.
They are, yeah.
What's going on? All the 1x's here.
So annoying.
Open this shit. Just
Oh.
hit that. Just hit that. Oh my god! Persistent necro on
Yeah, with the
absorber?
absorber that would be absolutely banging.
Oh shit, bro, we got it again!
Persistent collector, wow.
Please.
Be good this time round.
Oh, hit
Oh, it's
something.
both double multis to start with.
Something. Collect a payer now. Just do it, so we have something to collect and keep. Nice.
Okay. 5x on top, we'll take it.
Collect a payer and or collector. Or
Just any premium.
oh,
Oh, come on. Hit now, please. Don't let it die.
don't die.
No shot it dies, right?
Oh my god, bro.
Seriously? Not even
Wow.
money back on a persistent?
Fuck that. Honestly.
How far in are we?
We are 13 minutes in. What the
Oh.
fuck?
Turn off the speed maybe? Give us
Oi.
some premium. Give us the sniper,
Don't
man.
fucking die now. Don't you fucking dare when you drop it in the bonus. You gotta pay. Oh shit.
Oh
I
man,
mean, you
come
gotta
on.
pay with it, right?
Have to. All those 1x's, come on.
Collector now. Take the fucking speed on. I feel like this is just dying. Yes. Bro, no shot, man. No shot, bro.
Not back to back like that. Not even giving us 100x
And
on the fucking
it
persistence.
dropped
What
it
does it
in the
mean?
bonus. It was not even like, you know?
Nah, but what does it mean, man? Can't be
Yeah.
for real.
No. That is just dumb.
All those 1x's.
Oh,
Mm.
that shit is crazy. That shit is absolutely insane. Guys,
Oh,
okay. Oh my god. Bro, I wanna go into a bonus here where we get sniper, persistent sniper.
yeah. That would be
Like
nice.
that is absolutely insane.
I actually
Oh,
kind of prefer though. Okay, nice. I kind of prefer doing normal buys compared to super buys
yes.
actually.
Me too. Me too. Definitely.
I feel like the potential is basically as good, but it's just so much cheaper. Will this be the last one or?
Yeah, we do one more after this. I think. And then
Right.
it's a long video as well. We've had a lot of buys. Oh shit!
Absorber collector. Not the best collect, but give us something persistent or whatever now. Oh, give us one
Both
of
of them
those.
are insane right here.
Just one of them, man. Would have been phenomenal. It's gonna die.
Yeah. Hit.
Hey, it's not.
Hit.
Please.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh man, it's teasing
Oh, it's
badly here.
insane. Drop it here. Drop it here. Come on. Okay. Opened up. Please. Oh, Tommy gun
Tommy
sniper.
gun.
No.
Oh, don't go over there.
Necromancer. Necromancer.
Necromance would be insane.
my God. Alright, last one. Be good. Oh shit, good notice. Wow.
Okay. Persistent collector here.
Yeah.
GG.
Oh!
Nice, right?
Oi!
No?
Come on.
Come on.
Now it dies. Fuck you.
Yeah.
Alright guys. That was kinda interesting. Like, I mean, there's a lot to take out from that. I mean, we had 2 persistence. 3?
Yeah.
3, actually.
3, yeah.
From normal buys. And we had 1 popping off. I mean, it wasn't really insane. Could have been very good. But I mean, if you take into consideration like the bet size here, we are doing 0.4, and it's cheaper than doing 0.10 super spins. So if we get 10,000x here, it's 4 times as big as getting 10,000x on the persistence.
Yeah, I prefer doing this honestly.
Yeah, it's way better. Like, in my opinion, this is the way to go about it. Anyway, it's been blasting this session. And Partner and Crown, do you have anything to say?
Nah, I don't.
He never does, man. He never does,
Nah.
other than
Man of few words.
have my little calculator doing things. Like, it's what it is. Alright guys, peace out. Hello guys, sorry to interrupt you in the video, but I just quickly wanted to remind you that we do have giveaways going on various sites for active users of our links and codes down in the description. So go there right now, use our link, do a deposit, and make sure you grab that money back. See you later guys.